The African sun beats down relentlessly on the endless golden savanna, painting the landscape in shimmering waves of heat and light. Here, beneath the vast sky, a flock of helmeted guinea fowl moves with purpose, their small forms weaving through the tall, dry grass. Their dark, spotted bodies march in unison, each bird foraging for seeds and insects hidden beneath the brittle grass. Every step is careful, every movement synchronized, as they search for food in this challenging environment. Suddenly the leader freezes. An eagle's shadow sweeps overhead, casting a fleeting darkness that sends a ripple of tension through the flock. Instantly, the flock erupts in harsh alarm calls and scatters, dashing for cover into the tangled safety of an acacia thicket. Survival here depends on quick reflexes and sharp senses. This is daily life for guinea fowl, constant vigilance, always alert to danger from above and below. Yet within their group there is a strong sense of community and cooperation. Together they face the challenges of the wild, relying on each other for safety and support. Their foraging not only sustains them, but also aerates the soil and controls pests, providing benefits that ripple through the ecosystem and even help local people who share this land. Guinea fowl are woven into the very fabric of their ecosystem, playing a vital role in maintaining balance among plants, insects, and other animals. Their story stretches far beyond Africa, carried by humans across continents and centuries. From bustling ancient markets to the orderly rows of modern farms, the guinea fowl has become a global citizen, adapting to new environments and cultures wherever it goes. To truly understand this remarkable bird, we must look closer at what makes it unique, a jewel of the African wilderness, shaped by millennia of survival and adaptation. Their journey is one of constant adaptation, moving through changing environments and weather, always finding new ways to thrive. And through it all, they have formed an enduring partnership with humans, who have come to value their resilience and resourcefulness. Let's explore what sets the guinea fowl apart, and discover the secrets behind their survival and success. Among the world's birds, guinea fowl stand out as members of the Numididae family, native only to Africa. These remarkable birds have roamed the continent's grasslands and woodlands for millions of years, adapting to a wide range of habitats and climates. Their presence is woven into the fabric of Africa's wild places, where their calls echo at dawn and dusk. Related to pheasants and chickens, they retain a wildness and independence that sets them apart. Unlike their domesticated cousins, guinea fowl are naturally wary, always on the lookout for predators. Their sharp eyes and quick reflexes help them survive in a world where danger is never far away. The helmeted guinea fowl is the most familiar, with its distinctive bony casque, but Africa also boasts the striking vulturine, with its electric blue feathers and long neck, the elegant plumed and the elusive black guinea fowl. Each species is adapted to its own unique environment, displaying a dazzling variety of colors and patterns. All share a robust, ground-loving nature and a highly social structure. Guinea fowl are rarely seen alone. They move in flocks, foraging for seeds, insects, and small creatures, communicating constantly with a chorus of calls and whistles. Unlike chickens, guinea fowl prefer roosting in trees and remain wary, alert to danger. At night, they seek the safety of branches, high above the reach of ground predators, relying on their agility and keen senses to stay safe. Their strong legs are built for running and scratching, not long flights. They can cover surprising distances on foot, darting through undergrowth and across open plains with impressive speed and coordination. While they can fly short distances, they rely on endurance and group vigilance. When threatened, the flock scatters in a burst of energy, confusing predators and regrouping quickly. Their compact bodies and social habits make them a unique branch of the avian family tree. Their close-knit groups foster cooperation and protection, a testament to their survival instincts. Observing guinea fowl offers a glimpse into the survival strategies of wild birds, even in domestic settings. Their behaviors, from foraging to alarm calls, reveal a deep connection to their wild ancestry. They are not just poultry, but a captivating link to an ancient, untamed world. Guinea fowl remind us of the wild roots that still run deep, even in the most familiar of birds. The remarkable journey of the guinea fowl began on the vast, sun-drenched plains of Africa, where these birds have roamed for thousands of years. In their native habitat, guinea fowl thrived in the wild, moving in flocks across the grasslands, always alert and resourceful. Early African communities recognized their value, first hunting them for their rich, flavorful meat and nutritious eggs, and later learning to domesticate them. Guinea fowl became woven into daily life, providing food and even acting as natural pest controllers around villages. Even after generations of domestication, their wild instincts and spirited nature remain visible in today's flocks, making them both independent and lively farm companions. The ancient Greeks and Romans were so captivated by the guinea fowl's striking appearance and practical uses that they brought them to Europe. These birds graced the tables of feasts and became symbols of luxury and exoticism in classical societies. Yet, after the fall of the Roman Empire, guinea fowl disappeared from Europe for centuries. It wasn't until the Age of Discovery, when Portuguese explorers sailed home from Africa, that the bird made its triumphant return to European shores. From there, guinea fowl began a new chapter, spreading rapidly across Europe, and then to the Americas, Asia, and Australia. In each new land, they adapted to different climates and landscapes, proving their incredible versatility. Farmers everywhere soon appreciated their resilience, their ability to forage for food, and their natural resistance to many diseases. These qualities made guinea fowl a favorite addition to farms and homesteads around the world. In every new environment, guinea fowl proved themselves as hardy, low-maintenance birds, thriving with minimal care and quickly becoming part of rural family life. Their global expansion transformed them from African natives into true cosmopolitans, now found in a dazzling array of climates and cultures. Today, guinea fowl thrive on every continent except Antarctica, enduring both harsh winters and tropical heat, a testament to their adaptability. Their story is one of migration, adaptation, and a lasting partnership with people from all walks of life, across generations and continents. The guinea fowl's global journey stands as a powerful example of how a single species can adapt, survive, and even thrive alongside humanity in a changing world. From wild African savannas to bustling backyard gardens, the guinea fowl remains a bird of both deep tradition and ongoing innovation, connecting people to nature wherever it goes. Guinea fowl are instantly recognizable, their dark feathers speckled with white pearls, like a starry sky. This pattern provides camouflage, helping them blend into grass and bush. Their featherless heads and necks, colored blue, white, and red, help regulate body temperature in the African heat. Atop their head sits a bony casque or helmet varying in size and shape. The vulturine guinea fowl dazzles with long blue hackle feathers and a dramatic appearance. Males and females look nearly identical, but their calls differ. Males make a sharp check-check, females a two-syllable buckwheat. Subtle differences in casque size and posture hint at sex and status. Across the Numididae family, each species boasts its own unique beauty. In guinea fowl, communication and behavior are as important as appearance. Their striking look is both functional and a symbol of their wild heritage. Guinea fowl are deeply social, rarely seen alone. Flocks range from small families to hundreds, especially outside breeding season. Social hierarchy ensures order and stability, with a clear pecking order. Safety in numbers is key. Many eyes spot predators, and alarm calls trigger instant group reactions. Their legendary alarm call is a natural security system, alerting all to danger. Farmers value this trait, using guinea fowl as living alarms for livestock. Foraging is communal, with the flock moving as a unit, stirring up insects and sharing food. Their diet includes seeds, berries, shoots, and a variety of insects. At night they roost together high in trees, huddling for warmth and protection. The flock's cohesion is central to their survival and success. Guinea fowl thrive in a range of African habitats, from arid savannas to lush riverbanks. Their adaptability has allowed them to flourish worldwide, from Texas ranches to French vineyards. They tolerate heat and cold, needing only shelter from extreme weather. Expert foragers, they find food in almost any rural setting, reducing the need for supplemental feeding. Their natural wariness and alarm calls make them less vulnerable to predators than other poultry. Hardy and disease-resistant, they require little maintenance. In both wild and domestic settings, they form tight-knit flocks and patrol their territory. With enough space, they coexist peacefully with other poultry. Guinea fowl are true masters of adaptation, thriving wherever they go. Guinea fowl have fascinated people for millennia, woven into the folklore and traditions of West Africa. Their feathers adorn ceremonial attire, and their vigilance is a symbol of protection. Ancient Greeks linked them to myth, while Romans prized them as delicacies. After their reintroduction to Europe, Guinea fowl became symbols of the exotic and worldly, appearing in royal menageries and art. Renaissance artists painted them alongside luxury goods, signifying wealth and global reach. Today, they represent sustainable agriculture and natural pest control. Their image endures in art and design, their spotted pattern a timeless motif. From ancient myths to modern farms, guinea fowl remain a source of fascination and beauty. Their story is one of enduring cultural significance. Guinea fowl are nature's pest controllers, patrolling farms and gardens for insects and ticks. Their appetite for ticks helps protect livestock and humans from diseases like Lyme. They also devour grasshoppers, locusts, slugs, snails, and even small snakes. This natural pest control reduces the need for chemical pesticides, benefiting crops and the environment. Guinea fowl help manage weeds by eating seeds and tender shoots, keeping pastures and gardens tidy. Their foraging lightly aerates soil while their droppings fertilize it with nitrogen. They must be managed around delicate seedlings, but in orchards and established gardens, their benefits are clear. Their presence supports healthier, more resilient soil and ecosystems. In sustainable agriculture, guinea fowl exemplify working with nature for balanced farming. They are truly invaluable allies to farmers and gardeners. While domesticated guinea fowl thrive globally, some wild African species face threats from habitat loss and fragmentation. Expanding agriculture and development isolate populations, increasing extinction risks. Conservation efforts focus on protecting large, connected habitats and promoting sustainable land use. For wide-ranging species like the vulturine guinea fowl, international cooperation is essential. Preserving wild populations safeguards genetic diversity, crucial for future adaptation and disease resistance. The wild gene pool is an irreplaceable resource for both nature and agriculture. Our relationship with guinea fowl reminds us of the deep ties between domestic animals and their wild ancestors. Protecting wild flocks is a shared responsibility, vital for biodiversity and planetary health. Their future and ours are closely linked.